Morning all, welcome to the market view for Tuesday the 18th of March 2014. And looking at the daily chart, we're going to start off with looking at yesterday's price. Well, we can see the market opened, traded lower, and the market moved higher before coming off the highs as well before the end of the trading session. As I said yesterday, we could expect it to be fairly quiet, which it was, apart from one sort of geopolitical news item that moved the market quite markedly, which we'll see in a moment in the 30-minute chart. Outside of that, the market would have had a very narrow range indeed. So let's just come back to the daily chart in just a moment. Let's just go down to the 30-minute and see what actually happened. We had a potential sell signal there. I'm just going to mark this up so you can see what actually happened. It's the first loss in some time. I'm just going to remove that there. So we can see the market was filled. We can see the market trading lower. And at the support 1, we see the market finding support, which also was the low from Friday as well. So down in this area, we see the green candle coming in at this area. And in many of the live trading videos and many of the market overviews, I've spoken about this before. When the market stops moving lower, then the best thing to do is to reduce the risk by using a 50% extension. And as the market comes down, we've got, this is after it's been filled, of course, we've got the market trading lower and we get this green candle after it. And if you put 50% in there, you can see that we have reduced the risk significantly. The initial risk was 28, and eventually we were able to reduce this down to 166.17. The entry price 166.14, so 3 or 4 pips as opposed to 28. And the reason for that, we had support at the S1, and also we've got the green candle coming into the market there. We've had an hour and the market failed to move lower. So we get this red candle coming back in, and then this news item that comes into the market here, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is not anything that we had which was official, and obviously something to do with the Ukraine or whatever it is that's going on at the moment as far as the geopolitical aspects of it are concerned. So that's what that is, and that's something no doubt we're going to see a bit more of in the next few weeks and months, as long as this drags on. So that was a way of actually reducing the loss from 28 pips down to 3 pips. As I say, we've covered this many times before in previous market views and in some of the live trading videos as well. Just a way of mitigating the initial risk. So the market hasn't really done a fat lot since. We're back to where we started yesterday morning. The market trading at the DP level, trying to move higher at the moment. And again, we've got psychological levels in the way here at 166.50, which is also the high of the previous day, and that's Friday's high. And then we can see yesterday's high is up here as well. So all of this area here, we've got some resistance, and what is required is a lot of new buying by the professionals to move the market higher. I should have a quick look at the news before we come back and look at the target prices for today, where the market could move to. We've got the economic sentiment, Germans, we've got an economic sentiment out as well. CPI US at 12:30, nothing for this morning apart from this German news, which is out at 10 a.m. That's GMT this morning, so just keep an eye out for that one. It may move the market, it may not. It's more likely to move the euro, but the market is very quiet at the moment, stuck in this sort of consolidation phase. It was good on Friday, still provided profits, and for most of last week, but yesterday very quiet indeed. So let's have a quick look at where possibly the market could move to. I'm just going to remove a few of these lines just to make things a bit easier. And as I look at the chart here, we've got a high here, we've got a low here, and if the market's trying to attempt to move back, I just want to see what strength it's got to go to the upside. So I'm just going to draw that in, and I can see 166.85, so 167 is going to be a resistance area should this market move higher. If the market moves higher after this, then I want to go from here to here, and I can see where the next target prices are likely to be as well. So we'll leave those in for the upside, and let's have a quick markup for the downside just in case the market moves to the downside. We've got 166 psychological support there, and 165.82, which we still keep finding support at as well. So there's areas of where the market is likely to find support and resistance today, and can be used for profit targets. So just make a note of those. If the 165.82 is taken out, what I'm going to do, as I did before, is just to draw from this line to this line, and I can see there we've got two other areas of where we're likely to find support, which actually coincide more or less, as we've seen before, with the psychological supports at 165.50 and 165 dead. So there are the potential targets today, that should we have any signals in the 30-minute or 60-minute where you could find some sort of areas of support and resistance which will allow you to take your profits. So let me just save that. Right, well, that's it for this morning. The sunshine continues without any break at the moment, which is great to see. Let's hope it remains that way. As ever, thank you for your support, and also for taking the time to watch this video. And all things being equal, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.